Alan girls, when was the last time you had some nice stew peas? It's been a while. No, I went to Toronto the other day and I felt like I was in a Jamaica. I had to buy, everything that I've seen that I've never had, that I've not had in a long time, including some chicken foot and some salt beef. You know me, hypertensive, so you know me that I feel, boil out the salt beef really, really good. Anyhow, I soaked my peas overnight, added some garlic and added some pimento. Yes. And then I cut up my chicken foot. Yes, as you see, I know my island girls already don't know chicken foot in a stew peas, but my Canadian sisters are wondering, what is that? Just like my Canadian son, like, ew, chicken feet? Yes, we Jamaicans do eat chicken foot over here. No, me Adventist, so no ask me about no pigtail because no pigtail no in my stew peas. You understand? No, after I did this, I realized that it was too much. What will I do with one old big pot of stew peas? So I had to take out half of it and I'm going to freeze that to make some soup later down in the week or even next week. Now, after that pressured, I add my milk. Yes, my coconut milk and my seasonings. And of course, 2 spinners. Oh, we can make stew peas without no spinners dumpling in it. Eh? We are real island girl over here now. What else you put in your stew peas, or what meat kind do you put into your stew peas? Now we make sure we check it. It's nice. It has simmer. It has thicken up. It has look good. And we have to add a pepper to it. And we taste it and we realize it want a little bit more something. So I added my Maggi. And of course, stew peas with white rice, right? What is your side to go with your stew peas? Because most Jamaicans I know it's white rice that go with stew peas, right? So I was just being a little bougie, and because this stuff looks so good and I haven't had stew peas in a long time, me did want a bowl to eat my stew peas out of. So after I put my rice in the center, then I want my stew peas all around the rice. So me get enough gravy, me get enough sauce, because the stew peas are just look like say it are gonna hit the right spot. Let me know in the comments, would you try the stew peas? How did I do? Give me a rating. Make sure that you're liking, you're following, and you're subscribed. Bye. Thanks for watching.